In this video, I will show you 3 ways you can braid your box braid. If you don't know how to grip hair, don't worry, I got you covered in this video. You see 3 easy ways you can do your box braid without having to grip your hair the normal way. Divide your extension into 2 parts. One part is bigger than the other part. The smaller part is what you use to work. Use the bigger part to place it on top of the hair you want to grip, and use the smaller part to just pass it through it, as you can see in the video, and that is how you just secure it. After which, you take the other part that is up and start braiding your hair. So the 3 of them forms the 3 parts. You just have to just start braiding. It's as simple as that. So this is the method 1. I will do this method 1 twice so you can understand it properly. So this is the second method, and this second method is the tying method. You still start it with the same way you started the first one. You take the bigger part of the extension, place it on the hair like the way I'm doing, cross it over, then use the smaller part of it to tie in the middle. You're tying it in the middle just twice, then you just hold the other parts of the smaller parts, join the both of them together and start braiding. So I'm doing this closely so you'll be able to see exactly what I'm doing. So remember, after you're done, join those 2 smaller parts together to form one and start braiding. You have to join those 2 smaller parts together, please. So this video is a 2-in-1 tutorial. I did not only show you different ways to braid your hair, your box braid, I also showed you how to tuck in your hair. You can see that the color of the hair black is not interfering with the extension color. So just watch and I will explain to you how I did that hiding method or tucking method. So this is the last method, and this is the old or the normal method for anyone that wants to do box braid. So I just decided to include it. And in this same one, I showed you how you can tuck in your extensions. To tuck in your extension color, you don't want the color to be interfering with your braid. Just get out that color that you don't want to interfere in your braid. Put it to the side. Like any braid you want to braid, let it be by the side, either the left or the right hand. So let it be at the end. So as you braid there, it's entering, it's wrapping around there. So you don't have to like fold it inside the hair. Just single it out. Let it be at the edge. So if you don't know how to grip your hair, these are different ways you can also try to braid your box braid. So this is the back of the braid. You can see the color of the extension, the black is at the back, and the front has no interference. That's because of the tucking method I used. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you in my next video.